Hello, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished fitting a StarLine S96 on this Lexus RX450 2017. The S96 has got basically your alarm system. It's also got phone notification as well. So I'll just show you on my phone. First of all, I'll show you the features and then we'll go through a little demo. So this is your sort of main app. You can see there's a dome there, so that's showing the car that is protected. You've got so many features on this system, it's absolutely brilliant. So you've got, first of all, a tracker built in into the system. You can see the vehicle just there. You can go back literally like 7 days. You can disarm the alarm system. You've got loads of different features here. A good one is anti-hijack. If someone grabs the keys, tag and your phone, from a second phone, you can basically put it in anti-hijack, which means when they turn the vehicle off, they won't be able to start it again. You've got loads of features. So on the alarm itself, you've got multiple sensors that you can adjust as standard. So you've got basically motion sensor, so that's if they lift it and put it on like a low loader or a recovery truck. You've got tilt sensor, which if they lift one side up to take the wheels, or a popular one is for catalytic converter theft, really popular. You've got shock sensor warning, so if there's just like an impact from outside, it will give them a small warning, and if it's a heavy one, then the shock sensor will go off as well. It's all connected to your phone, so any sort of illegal entry, open the door, try to start the engine, whatever, you will get a phone call within 10 to 15 seconds, and you could be anywhere in UK. So what we're going to do is, I've hidden the tag away, which that's how the alarm system works. So basically you need to have a tag. Unless you've got the tag, the vehicle won't start, and also the alarm will go off as well. So Richard's got the original factory key. So imagine a thief has cloned the key from outside your house or somewhere there. He's just unlocked it. Alarm is going off. So now if he attempts to start the vehicle, won't start. Yeah, won't start. So if we go back to the phone, the phone's going off as well. So if I answer that, you might be able to hear it.
The car's condition, ignition is on, door open, shock sensor.
There we go. So you can see there's notifications coming up on my phone as well. And then if I open it, you can see that the door's open there as well. And it's going red. So let's just get the tag, because I'm getting a headache with the alarm. So this is the tag. I walk up to it, and now it is disarmed. So this tag, you don't really need to do anything with it. You just need to have it with you when you're with the vehicle. The encryption on this is 128-bit. Okay, so they can't grab these frequencies on these tags. They're really robust. We're doing a hell of a load of these systems. It's your top tier vehicle security available in this day and age. So if you're interested in getting this done, get in contact with us on the details that will come up shortly after this video. Thanks for watching.